So this is the discussion we had this morning. The purpose of chlorophyll, remember, it's the molecule that plants use in order to conduct photosynthesis. What happens is the molecule of chlorophyll, electrons pop off of it. It gets excited. And those electrons then go through the photosystem, photosystem 2, then photosystem 1. And then the process of photosynthesis continues there. Remember, as you mentioned, oxygen is produced from that process as photosynthesis creates or takes in water, splits it, and then moves those hydrogens out and those electrons around to go through electron transport chain to create energy, to then go through the Calvin cycle to fix carbon dioxide. So remember, carbon dioxide is another reactant that goes into photosynthesis. And where would you find chlorophyll? Well, you would find it in the chloroplasts, those structures that plants have that conduct photosynthesis. You know, in those two separate areas, the thylakoids, where water is split, where the chlorophyll is at, and then in the stroma, that fluid surrounding the thylakoids. It's kind of like the cytoplasm of the chloroplast. And in this picture, I think somebody mentioned that we see pigments, and these pigments that are in the chlorophyll, the chloroplast, get separated. And there's 4 different pigments. There is chlorophyll B, chlorophyll A, xanthophylls, and then beta carotenes. And we see the chlorophyll B kind of has a olive green color. The chlorophyll A has kind of a more blue-green. And then the xanthophylls are kind of light yellow, and the carotenes have a little bit of a orange hue to them, which you can imagine the word carrot, that's where this color comes from. Carrots have an orange appearance. And that is what you see in the pictures, the 4 pigments, the chlorophyll B, chlorophyll A, xanthophylls, and carotenes. Those are the 4 pigments that we find in the chloroplast of spinach leaves. Spinach leaves were used to produce the samples that you see of paper chromatography, which the lab we're doing today, plant pigment chromatography.